What makes HollandGreen different? I think we're very different. I think we're very different because we deliver to three pillars. We deliver inspirational design, insightful design, and exceptional client experience.
Designing a great home is much more than just bricks and mortar. It's about the people and how they inhabit the spaces that we create.
And it's about understanding what is it for them that makes a home special.
It's all about creating moments and trying to enhance those moments so it maximises their pleasure.
I think it's about making it feel comfortable as well as practical.
The difference between a house and a home is a home can reflect your personality.
And it starts with really listening to clients and really listening and understanding what their problem is that we're trying to solve.
Once you understand that, and you've really communicated with the client, you've really listened to them and understand how they live and what their priorities are, only then do you really start the design journey. There's something very special about creating a home for somebody and seeing the look on their face when the design really comes to life, and you feel that in some way you've played a part in helping them fulfill their dream.
We always go at the end of a project going to meet the client and just get a sort of a testimonial and see how it all went. I met a client and I walked in the door and she was in tears. And I thought, what have we done wrong? How have we got it so wrong that she's in tears and this should be the point at which we're happy? But there were tears of happiness, and she explained that the previous space and how it hadn't worked, and that the new space was just amazing, and that we then captured what she said. We had transformed her life by the wonderful living space we had created. It became our byline, if you like. We transformed people's lives by creating wonderful living spaces, and that's something that we live and work to and have done ever since.